Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about particle and rigid body. What is particle? A particle is a body of negligible dimensions. Dimension means length, breadth and height. So it doesn't have any length, any breadth or height. So it can be represented as just dot. It is just a point. So the mass of the particle is concentrated at that point. Now let us see one example problem regarding particle. A particle is projected in the air with a velocity of 100 meters per second at an angle 30 degrees. Find the maximum height. So we know the formula for maximum height. Hmax is equals to v square sin square alpha divided by 2g. So as given in the problem, v is 100 meters per second, alpha is 30 degrees with the horizontal, and g is gravity, which is equals to 9.8. So this is how we can solve these problems. It is very easy to solve, very simple to solve if we neglect the mass and size of the body. Before going to the rigid body, let us understand this term deformation. Deformation means change in the shape of a body due to application of forces. So deformation actually refers to change of shape of a body. Change in shape, that's it. So as you can see in the figure, the rod is bending due to application of forces or stresses. So I can say that deformation is directly proportional to stresses applied within elastic limit, because after elastic limit the body eventually fails. Now what is rigid body? Rigid body is the collection of particles or point masses. Means particles means it is just a point, whereas the rigid body is collection of particles, means we are collecting particles dot and makes it a solid body, circular, square, rectangle, a cubical body, right? And here the most important point in the rigid body is the distance between any given 2 points. The distance between any given 2 points remains same even after the force exert on it. The distance does not change means what? It does not deform. It doesn't changes its shape. Let us see an example of deformed body. A beam. A load is acting on it and it undergoes some deformation. So here you can see that the distance between 2 points is getting changed due to change in shape. So we have the best example for rigid body, a granite. If we apply the forces on granite, it does not deform or changes its shape. It simply breaks down. So does not deform or changes its shape. Is it really possible? In reality, all bodies deform as they move. But if the deformations are very small relative to its motion, then it is acceptable. But it should be very small. For example, an aircraft. The deformations experienced by this aircraft are very small relative to its motion. Now let us summarize this lecture. Particle is a body of negligible dimensions, whereas the rigid body is the collection of particles, a solid body. Here in particles, volume can be ignored, whereas in rigid body, deformations are ignored. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button.